So medyo yung mga tahimik na lang, hindi natin mag-gauge, no, ang kanilang sentimento. Which is, ano naman, right to privacy naman yan at respeto naman natin yan. Kanya nga po, hindi natin malalaman until ang final determining outcome talaga nito is yung boto.
May plan kayo, sir, to file any like case for those trolls or social media users?
Hindi naman. It's not in my place siguro. So I don't know kung meron. I don't know. But for me hindi naman. Although may mga nagsasabi nga na sometimes too much na. No, pero ako, the way I manage it is hindi ko na lang tinitingnan yung mga ganyan hindi ko na lang tinitingnan yung Facebook kumbaga.
Thank you,
Sir, may
sir.
plans in place po ba kayo sakaling hindi po nila tanggapin or maging violent po yung pagtanggap po sa eleksyon, sa resulta po ng eleksyon? Kung maring nanalo po kayo, tas meron pong oppositions, may mga
Violent reaction.
Hindi naman siguro mangyayari. I don't think that's
And if mangyari po,
I
sir?
don't think mangyayari.
If ever, sir, mangyari, may plans.
Not in Davao.
For example, manalo ka, sir, but the supporters will have a different reaction on
I
that.
don't think.
Do you have a backup plan or whatsoever?
I don't think so because I don't think that's going to happen.
Yes.
I don't think na magkakaroon ng violent reaction. It's hindi yan ugali ng